There's a lot of roots coming in.
Yeah.
There we go. You're doing good. Now you see what I mean? Stick your feet into one side, and we're just going to go sideways like this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What happened? Oh, because what I'm doing right now, I'm scared.
It's not that bad.
I'm going to trust you today, okay?
All right. I won't let you go.
Okay.
You're not going to fall.
I'm not. I'm trust you because I think I'm going to fall, but...
I've done this so many times.
Exactly.
Take your time. Make sure everybody's got it. You okay?
I'm Gucci. Wait, can y'all please be quiet? Y'all like literally.
Okay. We're still good?
I need your light. I need your light. I need your light. And I'm not trying to fall in this 2 feet because I cannot fit in here. And I'm not trying to get stuck in this cave for the rest of my life and turn into bones. Is this rocks?
I'm gonna be an
Some of it's rock, some of it's mud. People make sculptures and leave them
Put your
here
feet in the
as
crack.
presents for other people to see.
And move down and just put your feet all the way in the crack. All the way. Yes. All the way.
You got it? Okay, right where I am. Okay? There is another crack that's down lower. We just step down into the crack with one foot and then step on the floor with the other foot, just like that. Okay?
Okay, just step on the crack. No, she let her fall? No, she won't. Okay.
That's it. Okay. Right down to here. Just keep leaning against the floor. I'm in the wall here, and then step down onto the floor.
Wait, I need your hand.
You got me. You're good. Now that's been wobbling for 20 years. It doesn't go anywhere. Okay? And we're going to come down here. And we're going to take a little break.
Wait.
Take your time, guys. Help each other.
Wait. No, okay, be careful. Put your foot down. Yes.
Take care of the person behind you.
Can you help me, please? Okay, hurry up. Careful. Right here. Yes. Alright, go. And then go. She not gonna help me. Yes, she is. I know you're just lying. I'm not going down. You have to go there.
Only if you want to.
Yes, that was what the people did in the last video. Are you okay?
Yep.
Oh, I can't fit in there. My arms. Shoot, we gotta go down there. Well, if we want to. My hair. Your hair does it.
How long is your hair?
Arm. I scratched my hair.
Yeah.
Ellie.
Do you want to stick it inside the cover off?
It's okay because we about to get in the pool anyway. We're getting in the pool later. Pool. Wait, I scraped my arm.
What's that?
I scraped my arm.
Come here. Come here. Come over here, let me see.
It hurt really bad.
Did you bang it or?
It scraped against the thing, like right here.
Right there.
Don't
Is there a way we can?
I don't know what it looked like, but it hurt. She like, what are you talking?
Okay, you're not bleeding.
I'm not.
It just banged a little bit.
Okay.
All right? If it continues to hurt or gets any worse, let me know. All right, because then we have to get you out.
If you feel like
You come over here and sit down.
Wait, I can't see.
Okay. Guys, come on in and around.
Can somebody come over here with me? I got the chills. I'm actually having, this is actually kind of fun. Don't put your foot down there.
Oh gosh. I did it, y'all.
Or just sit right here, stop. Just sit right here. There's like a once in a lifetime experience. Like, I never do this again. Are we going down here? No. You can if you want to. If we want to. You going down here? It's crawling? Yeah. How many minutes? Let him finish. Let everybody get here and time. Come over here, y'all. It's space over here.
Okay, everybody.
This is fun. I can't even lie.
Like this side, everybody should get here.
It's nice. You put my hair in my...
But once we're alone, do not.
Come on in here, guys.
Jay.
Hey, come on in and come around. Come on down here.
My hands?
No, it's fine. Everybody should get here.
Yeah, my socks are Your socks are dirty.
My hands are sticky. You know how to do that part.
Look at my hands.
Everybody.
I was a little bit nervous.
I'm tired.
Me too.
So where are we going next, Alan?
Huh?
Where are we going next?
We're gonna go that way eventually, but it depends on
Wait, we're gonna be here for 2 hours, right?
at least maybe longer if you want.
No.
Okay, we'll keep it down. Okay, come on in, guys. Let's get everybody back in here.
It's actually pretty far. How much hours has it been? Has it been 1 hour?
It's about
No,
to be like 30 minutes.
not quite. My watch is weird. My watch is.
I don't have a pen.
Okay,
Your turn.
Orange, hi, hey. Don't push me down there.
Is everybody here?
Y'all come down.
need a stopwatch movie.
Yep, all done.
Is this from orange?
It's got the day right.
Down there first.
Where's
We're all here.
Okay. The other.
It's all this dust coming out.
The other counselor. Yeah.
Okay, come on now.
Somebody else has a clip.
I think Alan would like to go up front.
It feel good.
You being paid?
Can I have that? Can I have that?
You want to be a GoPro?
Seriously.
Can I be a
Okay.
GoPro? Me too.
I only have one more.
Can I be a GoPro? No,
Hold
me.
on, hold
I'm
on,
already a
hold on,
GoPro.
Yeah, like page 8.
Please, I be doing funny pictures.
Wait,
I'm already a
I'm gonna
GoPro.
switch helmets.
Oh,
Mike?
with Paige?
That's funny, huh?
Well, no, with no, not with Paige. With
What is the
what's his name?
the counselor?
What tag?
Okay, can I switch? Can you switch helmets
Yeah, I'm here.
with somebody here? So what's your name?
Alina.
Alina, can you
just
switch
jammed?
switch helmets with Alina?
What's
Can I go
happening?
after Alina?
Because she's gonna GoPro, and you have a GoPro clip.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay?
GoPro.
Yeah, of course.
All
Do you have
right.
any more GoPros?
No,
He said
I
he got
only
one
have the
more.
two.
Can I GoPro now? How do I take this off?
We'll see. We'll see what we can do. It doesn't have that. It doesn't last that long, but just swap helmets.
Yeah. Just first I just.
My head is so
Oh my gosh, you got dirty
bad.
in face, Lena.
I got it on my face?
Yeah, this side. Other
You
side.
got mud on you already.
Oh, because it has a GoPro.
Let me grab this here and set this up while I'm here. There,
Oh, it's a different system.
just a little bit.
Oh, like the orange one or the yellow? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Run to me.
Is that right? There we go. That's bright. We're gonna go there. No, we're gonna go down here.
Oh my god!
Wow.
What just asked that?
Well, we are married, but not to each other.
I've known her a long time.
38.
Yep.
I thought you were 19.
When I first first I counted, he was young man Mike. Young
Okay.
teacher Mike.
Let's see if we can fit it on you because it's gonna be a lot bigger.
Whoa, that fit amazingly.
That good?
What year did you
Okay.
get
Can you clip this?
Like, how old were you?
Clip this.
When I was got married, I was
I just want to make sure. Are you running?
no, 22.
I'm trying to remember this. This one's different. Go ahead.
You look at a little carrot.
It look like this. It looks like this.
I can't see anything because just light.
See?
That's not the right button.
So Jay,
These have so many buttons on them. I don't know which one.
Can I help you?
There
I
we
have
go.
bare.
do you know what
Is it recording?
the name Old Man was?
I think it's going to.
Can I check it?
Oh, yeah. Giselle, our boss, was like, she really shouldn't.
Now it's recording.
He literally.
Oh yeah, I'm recording, y'all.
A license.
All right. Now
Hey, Lena.
Wait,
this pit, if you've seen the videos, is called the wishing well.
Jesus, please.
Yeah.
This is a 20-minute one?
Now
That's the honeycomb, right?
this is pretty short. It's only about 20 feet. Go down. It's got what we call a pinch. It's only about this far. That's a little bit on the tight side, but everybody here pretty much be able to fit in there and belly crawl all the way over to the passageway that's on the other side of this rock.
Lena, you gotta
Now,
turn
if
your
you
head
go
up.
and do this, please listen. When you go and do this, when you get to the passageway, just stay there. Okay? I don't want anybody taking off because I had a hard time getting everybody back together again last time. People walked away. So you go down, you're going to go around the rock to the right, and then belly crawl about 20 feet. When you stand up, just collect everybody together. Got it?
Can I do so first? Wait, because I'm not doing that.
Can I do
so
first?
If you don't want to do it, it's okay.
Can I do first?
You get the
Yeah,
GoPro.
go ahead. Go,
Yeah.
jump
You
in.
have to go first to film.
Go ahead. I'm going to go that way because I don't fit anymore.
So y'all going
I got too big.
The hardest part.
Let's go,
Wait, she going
Where's
first.
she going first?
Yes,
go
let
second.
the
y'all wanna go first? You can go.
No, you
Paige,
go.
you can go.
Paige,
You
you
can
go. We believe in you.
We're going after them.
Alright.
I believe in magic.
I wanna go.
Wait, how long is this?
Huh?
20 feet.
How long? Like how? Like
20
minutes?
feet.
Minutes,
Video page.
maybe 3,
2.5 foot yards.
3 or 4.
Wait, so she just like gets on her belly and just
That's
shimmies that
it.
way?
That's it.
And then when you get
Not
to
that bad.
then turn right.
Is it tight?
Wait, can I go after her?
She's through the tight part.
She's small.
That's the tight part. Okay, go for it. Who's
Jaden
next?
and Brad go.
Who's going in this?
Jaden
She
and
said
Brad.
it's not that bad. She said it's not that bad, y'all.
Charlie, you doing it?
No.
No, yeah.
Why
I still hear her laughing.
What's she laughing at?
Oh, Brad.
Are you doing this?
I'll do that.
Sky. You doing this? No.
No.
All right, Gertrude. Who's next?
Go Jaden.
I guess
Milan, you want me to go first or you going first?
Milan, are you going to
Do you want to go first before me?
I'm going after Milan.
You can make it like balls.
Oh heck no! You're awake.
I'm going to
You can do
They
this.
all saying this. They all saying it's
See you on
not
the
that
other
bad.
side. Milan, your skirt gonna get dirty.
You got it. You got it.
Wait.
Put on back up, Miguel.
They all
scream.
Wait, I want to go, but I'm scared.
Let me see. Hold on, move out, lady.
I wanna watch.
Milan!
Who's your buddy?
They just disappear.
Is it roomy in there?
Charlie, you have a buddy.
She don't want to go.
Okay.
Why can I?
You don't have to go.
Wait, I'm too tall for this.
If you want to, you could just go look at it, and if you decide and you don't want to do it, you come right back
Just lay
out.
down,
I
Jay.
want to go.
Jay, you gotta lay down.
I can't, I'm too soft for this.
I can do it. You're already taller than me.
she's very
Y'all know I ain't.
she
is taller than you. Y'all know I ain't.
Everybody's taller than me.
Yeah, I can't.
Yes, you
Jay not
can.
doing it.
I'm gonna do Milan, I'm not doing it, I can't fit. I'm
No,
too tall.
no, you're not.
Hold on, Miguel.
I want to look, but I don't want to get in, but I want to look.
Hey, wanna get out?
Okay.
Hold on,
Yeah, you might have to back out so she can climb up.
Okay, who's
I'm
next?
a professional
All
climber.
right.
I get paid.
What it look like, Jay?
Scary and small, like a mouse house.
Are you went through this? Are you serious?
Yes,
Girl, you can fit. How did Brad go through
You
this?
just gotta
But
lay
don't
down.
she said.
you have to lay down all the way,
Wait a second.
My helmet would have fit through this.
not just hands and knees or elbows and knees. You have to lay down on your belly.
Get your feet back.
God.
Don't break that
I'm
GoPro.
scared.
Feel your
You
weight.
got this. Put your feet on the thing and then just like.
Wait, I
Can
don't
you
want
hold
to
your
break the GoPro.
What's that?
Don't
I don't want
worry
to break the
about it.
GoPro.
Don't worry about the GoPro.
Yeah, he's got it. He owns the company.
Yeah, and then
There you go. You got it.
You got
put
it.
your booty
On your
down.
butt. On your stomach.
Lena, stop. Come
I
out.
don't know how to sit down.
All right, Alina, just go halfway and then put your butt down.
Wait, I want to scenario.
You want to see somebody else do it first?
I'm scared. Wait.
You got it, Shiloh.
I want to go.
I don't want to do it.
Let's go, Shiloh.
You see how she see what she doing?
Lay down all the way, just like that.
Just like being born. I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm too tall for that,
I
y'all.
want to try.
You want to
You
try?
can go
Let's
look at
go.
it, and if you change your mind, you can come right back out. Okay?
Wait, they coming out?
Oh, that don't
No,
even
no.
look
No,
good.
They're not. They're not.
It's
But if
because
you
with
look
the
at,
tight,
if you
the
just
tight
get down
part is.
there and just look at the hole, and you decide that you don't want to do it, that's okay.
Go, go, go. You got this. Yes.
That's it.
Yes, Alina. Now push. Yo.
No, no, no. Forward, not backwards.
Lay your butt down and go on your tummy. Yay!
Now push.
She got it.
Hey,
You going?
some of the recording the other side.
Stop.
Is
No,
that?
you're not.
Somebody
Aaron.
recording the
Yes,
episode?
she
No, you're
has.
not.
Yeah.
Okay, because I have a phone.
Okay.
I can record.
Yeah.
Go with your
Yeah.
elbows.
You could do whatever you
Make
want
your
to.
elbows lead the
You
way.
take as many pictures as you want. The only condition is
Which
you
one
can
are you
share
going?
them.
Yeah,
Down
because
that way?
yeah.
You gonna fit?
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, he'll
fit.
fit.
An outfit.
Já não fit, so bro, you're good.
I'm too scared
All
to.
I know is
I'm not doing
I'm too
that.
scared
I
to
If
do.
you want a
fit in
video of you,
I want
just
to try, but I'm scared.
Me too.
Yeah,
Skylar, yes you can.
No, I
If Jaden can fit, you can fit.
Yeah.
I mean, not Jaden. The other boy can fit, you can fit.
Be nice.
Yeah, it's not being mean.
You just gotta lay down, that's all.
It's the
Let
first
me
part's
carry
the
your
hardest.
bag.
no, no, no.
Yeah, yeah, that's it, that's it,
There you
that's
go, you
it.
got it.
That's it.
There's a cat down there?
Sorry, Sharon. I just had to be real for a second.
What happened?
Cause I said stuff like that a little bit.
Skylar. Skylar, really halfway in there.
Just push,
You
Skylar.
Yay!
You go, want to go?
Yeah.
No, you're not. Use your
You're not
feet.
stuck.
Use the elbows. Push.
Push off your feet, Sky.
You going?
You're still moving.
Still moving, but she said she's stuck.
Wait, stop. She's actually crying.
She made it.
No, she's not.
Oh, they helping her.
Wait, how long is the elbow? How long is the push?
It's like 1 second.
This part here
About
is
3 minutes.
And then you hear when they come back the other end.
Yeah, I'm not going down there. Y'all got
Wait, I
that.
think I'm gonna do it now. Come here.
Shot.
Leave your back in here. With
But
Shy, you doing it?
somebody have to move it anyway, so.
Yeah, you can
Shy,
just push
you
it in front of
doing
you.
I always try. I'm not fit.
Goodbye, tell my mama I love you.
Okay.
I'm too scared for this.
I'm scared too. I would try, but I'm scared.
I mean, I love
The last
her.
message is Bochard loves Alan.
It's hard when you're tall. Yeah, you have to get your feet up and out of the hole. Just like that.
Goodbye, Bochard.
There you go.
It was a pleasure.
You all funny.
Jeez, it's longer than I expected.
He tall, so when he push all the way through, it's gonna be the same height as him.
There is a cave monster here.
Oh yeah. See, then is when he gets to start playing too much.
I think
You could do it. I'm not doing it, but I believe in you. Me and Shy gonna stay here.
We
hold-
believe in you.
We gonna
Jay.
hold it down